Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for following. If this is your first time to come on this channel, where we're trying to give tips on how to minister using your phone. At the moment, you may not be able to do live streaming on your phone, a live one, but you can be able to do recording and upload. Though you can be able to do live streaming if you have 1,000 subscribers. That is simple. All you have to do is ask your friends, family members, and members in your church to subscribe to your channel so that you can make 1,000 subscribers. There you'll be able to do a live streaming where people can be able to chat live with you when you're talking to them. But apart from that, we can go around this by recording. You do a recording, the way I'm going to show you, and then upload immediately your video, and then you share it on WhatsApp and other social media platforms so that people can be able to follow immediately. So let's start. Here we go now. We go to YouTube. There we go. Right, here we go. Just as you can see, on top of your right hand, you see some symbols. Yes, and there's one with red and blue. That is my symbol for the channel. Yes, and then there is something which looks like a magnifier. And this, in computer terms, we call it zoom. Yes, symbol. There on your, as you go on your left from the right, you see a symbol of a video camera. Just tap it. Just tap it. Just tap it. Here we go. Come on. Right. So as I told you in the beginning, if you did the live now, if you had 1,000 members or subscribers, that is very easy. People will start watching you immediately. Right. But because we don't have 1,000 members, subscribers, you can't go live. But then on your right, on your left, there is a record symbol with the word record. Just tap it. That's, yes, video symbol. There we go. Come on. Right, there we go. So when you reach there, just tap on record. Yes, that red button on your left. Come on, there we go. Now you can start screaming the scriptures and the word of God to the people who need it. Right. I'm just giving you a demonstration of how to do it. And after, you just stop it. Boop, bam. Stopped it. You upload. Just upload. Yeah, you have seen the app here. There's something like upload. On your right, if you watch well, on your right, there's add details and then upload. So you add your details, but yes, add title, description. If you add this, it helps people to find your stuff much easier. If you want it public, and I'm sure you want it public because you want others to know what you are to hear, to be able to get what you're saying. Then these are some of the tips I'm giving. The title, I put the title, tips, stroke streaming. The description is tips for streaming on YouTube. And there you put public if you want it public. If you want it to show the location, you can do so. Fine. And after there, you can upload. Yeah, you upload. So these are some of the things that I have uploaded. Though these are private, I'm the only one who can see them. Right? So you can see I have 2 videos that I've uploaded. Right. So in case you want to delete it, you can. You want to edit, you can. You want to share with WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, it's already on YouTube, or Gmail, you can. Right. Yeah. And when you want to see the videos, you go on your channel to be able to show you this tip, where your content is. Right.